Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a frequently asked question page on your Wix.com website. So start from the Wix dashboard here and then go on the top left-hand side here to edit site. It'll take you onto here, the Wix website editor. Now, as you can see here, I have no frequently asked question page. Now let's go ahead and add it. Now click on this first, click on Manage Menu, and then let's click on Add a Page. Now let's just make this a blank page. Click on that. Now make sure you're on the new page, just like this. Now this is a empty page you have. I'm going to name this frequently asked question. I'm going to click on done. I'm going to go back. Now make sure that the section is on the menu here. Great. Now that we have this page to play around with, I want you to go here on add apps. Now scroll down, wait for it to load, scroll down, click on this, manage apps. Now go here on Wix frequently asked question, click on the three dots here, and then click on add again. Now it'll be adding it, give it a second, it'll only take a minute. There you go, now you have a frequently asked question page on your Wix.com website. If you want to add the questions here, just click on this and then click on manage frequently asked questions. Wait for the dashboard to load. After that, once you see this menu, click on this, add new, and then add new question as answer. Now the question is example, and then the answer is whatever. Click on save. Now, as you can see, the question is here. If I want to move it up on the menu, I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to wait for it to refresh. And there you go. There's a new question there. It says example, whatever, just like that.